Kublai pi baro kini kilongki khubor bam takasi. Kajula Meghalaya kadon kam shishai ki jaka puli ki bahe. Bat babiang kum ki school ba university na kabanta ki samla puli khnang banum ne chu shabar jilla. Hajula Meghalaya la dan lupa ka state university ka Captain Williamson University baladeb. Haying darbar thau anya gane ka kinti ka khubor babha ye ki pat ka jilla ba ka kinhun menteri MDA kala deb rai ban ai jaka sanpho akar ya ka Xavier University hanu Shillong mau khanu. Habakran shakilat pathai kubor Conrad uyathu bakaseng Jesuit kabapanyat yakati ka school ba bakalong jaka police school ba kabapau hakari India kumta kalapan jaka na ka Sorkar Meghalaya kumba chispa akar. Nagaliang ka Sorkar MDA haga jingilam Conrad ki sangma ka shimmi ka senjam ban rai ka kinhun cabinet bala ai no tang sanpho akar ka jaka. Kador jaka kaladep penbet ka Saint Xavier University hanu Shillong Township kalong shilak tengka shi akar kum ka jingiram. Umentri rangba ulo ang bakani ka senjam na mar baka Saint Xavier's kadega shlem puli ka bapaw nam baha India bat haka perthai. Bar ka jingwan jangka shi Meghalaya kan plila thamai ki samla ka jilla baka than shati lamingi ha kalyang ka higher bad technical education ha bakran shikilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingyalang cabinet uba Conrad sama ulo ang baka rai ka baningkong kalong ban ai.
As you are aware that we just had a cabinet meeting. We had four formal items that were taken up in the cabinet today. The first item was for the establishment of St. Xavier's University in Shillong. As you're aware, a few years back we had passed the act to establish the St. Xavier's University. And during the process, of course, there were a lot of discussions and negotiations that took place. And finally, we received a letter from St. Xavier's authorities that they required 100 acres of land from the government to establish the St. Xavier's University. And after detailed discussion, we have decided as a cabinet that we will be able to give 50 acres to St. Xavier's in Maukunu. At a rate of about 1 lakh rupees per hectare, which is at a very concessional rate. And of course, this is being done because St. Xavier's is a premier institute. And this is an investment that we're making in our youth and in the future generation. Because by having institutes like the St. Xavier's University coming in, which is a brand known all over the country and the world, we are very positive that it will have a very huge impact, especially on higher technical education and the different opportunities that it will have for our youth. And this goes in line with our commitment towards education and our vision to take the overall education sector to greater heights and also to provide better opportunities for our youth of our state and the region as a whole.